What's up guys, my name is Joey, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to introduce how to set up your custom email sender. And before we go through that, I'm going to talk about what is a custom email sender. A custom email sender comprises a sending email address and a sender name, and every email address consists of three elements: local part, @symbol, and domain name. The local part is placed before the @symbol, and the domain name is placed after the @symbol. For example, in the email noreply@robosell.com, noreply is a local part and robosell.com is a domain. So setting up custom email sender actually helps you build trust and brand image in front of the customers. And sending e-commerce emails from personal email address like Gmail addresses or Outlook addresses will make your brand look less trustworthy. And by the way, Robosell provides a sending email address, noreply@dtcsend.com, by default if you just don't want to set up anything. But to be honest, that's not the best practice, so please follow me to make it better. So Robosell provides two ways for you to set up your custom email sender. And I will go with the simpler way first. You can see two tabs here, single sender and the domain. So please focus on single sender tab because that's what we are talking about now. And you can add a single sender by clicking Add Sender button here and typing in the local part of the email address. And please notice the domain here has been restricted to @a.dtcsam.com, as we need to make sure the delivery rate of the email, so we will take care of the domain part. And I suggest you to type in your brand name -noreply or brand name -marketing or -postmaster. Something like that depends on what you prefer. For example, if your brand name is Nike, and then you can type in Nike-noreply, and that's it. And then type in your sender name and the reply to email address, and click save, and congrats, you have your first custom email sender. And then I will introduce another way to add a custom email sender. So this time we need to add a custom domain first, and click tab domain, click add domain, type in your domain here, and look at this, the DKIM selector. And DKIM stands for Domain Keys Identified Mail. And the custom DKIM selector is only necessary when your domain has been linked with another email service like Klaviyo or MailChimp. And under that circumstance, you can add a DKIM selector to generate a temporary subdomain to finish the authentication without conflicts. But by default, you can skip this and click Next. So now Robosell has generated 3 CNAME records for you. So go to your domain name server, and I will take Alibaba Cloud Service as an example. So find domains and find the domain you need, and then click Resolve. And here we are. You can see the DNS records in the list. And then click Add to add a record. Select CNAME as the record type, and then copy the host name from Robosell and paste it here. And please notice some DNS provider like Alibaba Cloud Service will autofill the domain name here in the host name. So here you need to delete the domain part in the host name to avoid repetition. And then go back to Robosell and copy the value from Robosell and paste it in the record value. And you don't have to do anything with the TTL, so just save and repeat it 3 times to finish adding the 3 DNS records. And after that, go back to Robosell and click Verify. So now go back to your domain list, and you should see your domain there with a verified status. And you can click Manage Email Addresses, and that's where you can manage your email addresses under this domain. So click Add Sender here to add a sender that totally belongs to your brand. And congrats, you have your custom domain email sender right now. So the difference here between add a single sender and add a domain is that adding a domain will decrease the chance of your automated mails ending up in spam folder. But generally, both ways can work well with Robosell because actually merchants don't need to send out millions of emails by using Robosell every day. So you can just choose the way you like. And you can switch the sender here in the selector, plain and simple. So that's it. If you have any problem using our app, you can leave the comment below, and I'll see you next time.